Okay, children. So today's topic, what is the today's topic means? Changing the subject of a formula. Changing the subject of a formula. Okay, changing the subject of a formula. All of you mute your audios. Changing the subject of a formula. This is the today's topic and type 4 variety children. Linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables I'm discussing. All of you listen children. So here when I'm discussing type 4 variety, what happens means see here. Vikram, mute your audio first. So children, what happens means changing the subject means one formula they will give children like this. Suppose example, open the link in the description children. 2x plus a is equal to x plus b. This is the formula. This is the formula. They will ask you x, you make it as a formula, x you make it as a subject. You make x as a subject, they will say. How to make x as a subject? When you want to make x as a subject, you have to bring all x terms to one side. Bring this here, take this here. 2x minus x is equal to b minus a. Now 2x minus x is equal to b minus a. Now the formula is what children? X is equal to b minus a. That's all. X became the subject of the formula. No sir, we didn't understand. Means one more sum I will say children. See here all of you. Suppose 3x plus a is equal to x minus t. Second sum children. Okay. Bring x onto one side, a onto other side. 3x minus x is equal to minus a minus t. Okay children. 3x minus x is 2x. 2x is equal to minus a minus t. Okay children. Now what we can write that x is equal to minus a minus t by 2. No sir, minus is not good. Means take it as common. Minus of a plus b by 2. This is the formula for x. Means you are making x as a subject for the formula. You should learn this children. You should learn this. Okay. Normally in your textbooks they won't give they don't understand this priority. But if you know how to change the subject only, then you will be in a position to find out the coordinates for graph. Okay. So next 2 by 3x is equal to x by 3 plus q. Make x as a subject. First, whenever you are making x as a or anything as a subject, bring that onto one side. Bring x here, children. What you get? 2x by 3 minus x by 3 is equal to q. Now 3 is LCM. When 3 is LCM, what you'll get? 2x minus x is equal to q. Take 3 here, children. So what you'll get? 2x minus x is x. X is equal to 3q is the formula. Okay, like this you have to change the subject. Okay, children, there are in first page 37 sums are there, children. 15 sums I will do, 15 sums you do it as homework. Okay, after 25 sums I will come from reverse because from reverse I give tough sums, children. Okay, now listen. So, whichever question I ask, that only you should make as a subject. I may ask anything to make the subject. Fourth sum, which is children, x for some x minus 2x is equal to 0.1. Actually 0.1 children, x is not there. I think the question is mistake is there. Just 0.1, x is not there. Please don't do. Okay, x minus 2x is minus x. Minus x is equal to 0.1. X is equal to minus 0.1. Okay, fifth one children. So px minus 2d is equal to qx plus 8. Make x as a subject. Make x as a subject. You may ask, sir, I will make d as a subject, means you are miss children. You can make d as a subject also. Okay. Here I am asking x, bring x's onto one side. When you bring like that, px minus qx is equal to 2d plus 8. Take x as common. P minus q is equal to 2d plus 8. X if you keep here, x is equal to 2d plus 8 by p minus q is the formula. Okay, children. You may ask, sir, can you show me D as a subject? Yes, I can show D as a subject also. Just for your information, I'm showing children. Keep D on one side, children. Bring D here and remaining here. Px minus qx minus 8 is equal to 2D. I'm taking D on one side. Then bring 2 down, children. So D is equal to Px minus Qx minus 8 by 2. My wish children, in the examination, I can ask anything to make as a subject. You have to make it as a subject. Subject means that should come on to left side alone and remaining all terms should be on right side. That is called as a subject. Subject of the formula. Okay, children. First 5 sums I told in the then go to seventh sum, children. Then go to seventh sum. Okay, go to seventh sum. Okay, hope you are able to see children. Seventh sum. Keep seeing all tough sums I will say children so that you will understand. Nothing will be there children. Seventh sum if you see X is equal to under root of 5x. I want x as a subject. I want x as a subject. Okay, if I bring root here, it will become square. If I bring root here, it will become square. X square is equal to 5x. I want x as a subject. So bring this x here, children, because here it is into, no? Here if it comes division, x square by x is equal to 5. This gone, x is equal to 5. Like this you have to do, children. Okay. One more sum we'll do, children. We'll do ninth sum, children. Ninth sum, you check all of you. Please check ninth sum. Ninth sum, x minus L by x minus m is equal to 4 by m. Make x as a subject. When you make x as a subject, go for the cross multiplication. When you do cross multiplication, mx minus ml is equal to 4x minus 4m. Okay, what is my idea, children? What is my intention? I have to bring x onto one side. Okay, children. First 10, I want to say 15 sums. First 10 sums I will do, children. Already I'm in sixth sum. After that, remaining 5 sums I will ask you one by one. You should be in a position to tell. Okay, bring x onto one side, other numbers onto one side, because x is the subject. Okay, so ml minus 4m. Make x as a subject. M minus 4 is equal to ml minus 4m. Bring m down, children. And x is equal to ml minus 4m by m minus 4. You can see, sir, can you take m as a common? Yes, you can take. It's up to you. But you can't cancel it down because minus is there, you can't cancel it. If you want, you can take common and you can do like this, children. Okay. Now, what I will do for your understanding and convenience, I will come reverse, children. When I'm coming reverse, all of you, which sum we will go? We'll go for last sum, children. 30. 35, 36, 37th sum, children. 37th sum, you see, children, all of you. What is 37th sum? Y is equal to under root of 2x plus 1 by x. 2x plus 1 by x, children. So first you should remove the root, children. If you remove the root, here it will become what? Square. Y square is equal to 2x plus 1 by x. Okay, children. Now what I should do? Bring x up. If you bring up, it will become y square x is equal to 2x plus 1. Now what you should do? All x onto one side. When I bring this x here, what it will become? I'm writing here, children. Y square x minus 2x is equal to 1. Now take x as common. When you take x as common, what happens? When you take x as common, children, here, what happens here? X is equal to y square minus 2 is equal to 1. Then bring this down. X is equal to 1 by y square minus 2, like this. I hope you are getting some idea. If you don't know this, children, you will be having a lot of confusion. Okay, it is a blind learning, we will say. You have to learn perfectly anything. Whatever you are learning, you should learn perfectly. Go to 36th sum, children. 36th sum, I asked there to make A as the subject. Check 36th sum, all of you. Check 36th sum, children. I asked to make A as a subject. Please go to 36th sum. I hope everyone are able to see the link. Okay, 36th sum, children, in the link, it is there in the description. Y is equal to 2 into a minus 3b by a minus 1. I want a as a subject. If I want a as a subject, I should bring all a's onto one side. First, you bring this here. Y into a minus 1 is equal to this into this, how much? 2a minus 6b. Okay, children. Now ya minus y is equal to 2a minus 6b. I multiply this with this. I got this. Now bring all a's onto one side because a should be the subject. No. So ya minus 2a is equal to y minus 6b. Now make a as a subject. A into y minus 2 is equal to y minus 6b. Now bring this down. A is equal to y minus 6b by y minus 2. My wish, sir, I will make a b as subject, means your wish, children. You can make b also as a subject. It's up to you. Anything you can make as a subject. But here question, what I asked you should do only. For practice, your wish, whatever you want to do make as a subject. But here in the question, whatever I asked, that only you should make as a subject. Next one, children, 35th question. Reverse I'm coming. 35th question. I want t as a subject. T. N is equal to n plus p root t. Okay, children, if ever you understand the sums, they will be very, very good sums, children. These are very, very good sums. Okay, t as a subject means you should make t alone. So m minus n is equal to p root t. Okay, children. Now bring a p here down because here into means here division, children. So m minus n by p is equal to root d. Okay, children. Root if I bring here, what it will become? Anyone? Anyone?
M minus n by 2 square.
Square. Very good. Root if I brings here, it will become square. Okay, children. Next, go to 34th sum, children. Go to 34th sum. Did you see? Check 34th sum, children. Anyone want to help me? How to do 34th sum? Anyone wants to help me, children, in doing 34th sum? If you want, you can. 34th sum because I told already 10 sums, children. If you want anyone, you can accompany with me. 34th sum. Anyone want to try? Give a try. I'll write a question. I want d as a subject, children. K is equal to under root of a into 5 minus b by 4 minus d. Anyone want to try? Anyone want to give a try? No? Okay. First, if you bring root here, it will become square. I want d as a subject, children. So k square is equal to a into 5 minus b by 4 minus d. Okay, children? I want d as a subject. What is the subject? D. First, you bring 4 minus d here, take k square down because d we should make it alone. Okay, 4 minus d is equal to a into 5 minus b by k square. I want d alone, children. I want d alone. So when I want d alone, what I will do? D I will bring here. This whole equation I will bring here. If I bring like that, what happens? You should learn, children. All these things you have to learn. If you don't learn, what happens? You can't do any sums in the future. 4 minus this whole thing I'm bringing here, children. A into 5 minus b by k square is equal to d. Okay, children. But make it as into proper, children. So d is equal to k square is the LCM. K square is the LCM. If you take k square as LCM, 1 k square is a k square. K square into 4, 4k square minus a into 5, 5a minus and minus 5 plus ab. This is your final answer. This is how you will make a subject. Subject you are changing. They gave the subject K, but we made the subject as D. They made the subject as K, but we made the subject as D. No, sir, I want to make A as subject means your wish. No, sir, I want to make a subject B means your wish. But that for practice only you should practice. But whatever question they ask in exam, you should do the subject. 33. Anyone want to try 33, children, along with me? Anyone want to give a try? Anyone want to give a try, children? 33rd sum. C is the subject, children. P is equal to 3c plus 5 by 1 minus c. Anyone want to give a try? No? Yes. Bring this here, children. So if you bring this here, t is equal to 1 minus c is equal to 3c plus 5. T into 1, t. T into t, c, tc is equal to 3c plus 5. So bring all c's onto one side. Bring all c's on one side. This here, this here. So t minus 5 is equal to 3c plus tc. Make c common. So 3 plus t. Here it is into. Here if it comes division. So c is equal to t minus 5 by t plus 3. That is how we are going to do something. Okay. Anyone wants to give a try for 30 seconds sum, children? 30 seconds sum. Up to 30 sums I will tell children. After that you have to do remaining as homework. You should try. 30 seconds. Anyone wants to give a try? S is equal to 1 minus x by 100. 1 minus r by 100 into c. C should be the subject, children. C should be the subject. Those who don't know, please check. 100 is the LCM, children. So 100 minus x. Okay, 100 is the LCM, children. So 100 minus r. C should be the subject, means we should make C alone. That's all. C alone means C you keep here, remaining all these things you bring here. So C is equal to down one will go up. 100 into 100 into S. Up one will go down. 100 minus X into 100 minus R. That's it. Over. Over, children. Because directly I'm saying tough sums, you may be feeling a little bit discomfort, but I gave all easy sums, children, in the beginning. 31, 31st sum. Anyone wants to give a try? 31st sum, children? A you should make as a subject. Anyone wants to give a try, children? 31st sum? Please check 31st sum, children. All of you, 31st sum, open. 2a plus 3b is equal to 2a minus b by 2c. You should make a as a subject. and also find A, B is equal to something, something I give. But first you should make A as a subject, children. Anyone wants to give it a try, or shall I go ahead? Okay, children, this is the last sum, children, and I will tell. So this into this, children, 2A plus 3B into 2C is equal to 2A minus B. This into this 4AC plus this into this 6BC is equal to 2A minus B. Bring A's onto one side. 4AC minus 2A is equal to minus B minus 6BC. Make A as common, children. 4C minus 2 is equal to minus B minus 6BC. Bring this down, that's all is answer. Minus B minus 6BC by 4C minus 2. Take minus common, children. If you take minus common, B plus 6B. B also you can take common, children. B also you can take common. B into 1 plus 6C by